When shopping for their first baby mattress, the creators of Nook knew they wanted something that was organic and high quality for their baby. But unfortunately, that's not what they found. So they took matters, or rather mattress, into their own hands and created a comfortable and safe sleeping environment for their baby. Nook created 3 different mattresses in their lineup. They have the Pebble Air, the Pebble Light, and the Pebble Pure. Each of these have an organic cotton cover with eucalyptus, which naturally draws moisture away from the baby, and they're chemical free, which is really important. Your baby spends a lot of time on their mattress, and the environment they're in really impacts their health. The covers, also known as the Pebble Wrap, are liquid and microbe resistant, meaning you can just wipe away the dirty diapers, the spit up, anything that comes in contact with this cover. And for the bigger messes, the cover is removable and you can toss it in the washer on cold and tumble dry it on low. You'll notice that each cover features a raised pebble design, and that's going to lift your baby up off of the mattress to keep maximum airflow circulating around them. What's also nice is they come in a variety of colors, so you can customize it to match your unique nursery style. While the Nook mattresses might be a little bit of a higher price tag up front, they're actually cost effective because they eliminate the need for a waterproof mattress cover and a crib sheet. You can use a crib sheet over the top, but you're going to get maximum airflow and breathability with using the Pebble Wrap. Each of these mattresses are also dual-sided, so that means they're going to have a firmer side for baby, and then you can flip it to the softer side for your toddler. Each of these mattresses come in a variety of colors, which we'll link in the description box below. Now, just to note, these are sample sizes. The actual mattress fits a standard size crib, which you can see in the crib here, and it's going to fit it snug, which is really important because you don't want your baby to be able to fit anything between the crib mattress and the crib itself. So the first in their lineup is the Pebble Air. This one retails for $195 and it's the lightest one that they offer. It's 7 pounds. And you can see inside here the Pure US foam, and that's important because it meets the highest standards for content, emissions, and durability. So really high quality materials. And the cover also has what's called a Freudenberg fire barrier. So that means that there's no chemicals included in it. So it's a natural and safe alternative to chemical fire retardants. Next up is the Pebble Light, which retails for $295. It's constructed with peat or plastic water bottles, and also the Pure US foam. So this mattress is actually recyclable, which is awesome. It's a little bit heavier at 16 pounds, and it also has the Freudenberg fire barrier within the cover. Finally, we have the Pebble Pure. This one retails for $395, and it is the heaviest. This one weighs 25 pounds in its full-size version. It's made up of organic coconut core, a natural latex, and organic wool. And then you also have the Freudenberg fire barrier in the cover. So when you're out there shopping for a baby mattress, you're going to notice that most of them are just going to be white. They're not going to include a crib sheet, and they're also not going to include a waterproof cover, which are 2 things that you're going to want. Remember that the Nook mattresses have the cover which feature the pebbles on them, which is going to lift the baby up a little bit and provide maximum breathability, and they're also going to be water resistant, which eliminates the need for a waterproof cover. And those are a few reasons why we love the Nook mattresses. And you can rest easy knowing that your baby is resting easy. If you have any additional questions about the Nook mattresses, feel free to leave us a comment below or send us an email to hello@babycubby.com. You can shop these mattresses online at babycubby.com, where shipping is free on every order, or you can shop in-store at our American Fork, Utah location. We also have a new rewards program, and you can earn points by shopping online or in-store. You'll get 5% back in-store credit that you can use on a future purchase. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more reviews, how-tos, and fun things like gender reveals.